Hussein Swami. Hussein is the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, who fought against Yazid, who did not make a kind of allegiance with Yazid, and eventually he was martyred in the Battle of Karbala. Okay, so the Kannada Riwayat, this particular Kannada Riwayat, the composer of this Riwayat, he is explaining the way, the manner in which Imam Hussein was fighting with the army of Yazid. Nitya Hussein, it means every day probably. It also means eternal Hussein. Okay, eternal Hussein may have passed away, but his memory is very much alive. That's what it means. So the eternal Hussein is relentlessly fighting with Yazid. Nitya Hussein ಒಂದೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿದರು. For 10 days he without amidst all these issues, like there is no water, no food, and there are so many issues. Despite all these things, there is no army also, and he is trying his level best to protect his family from Yazid's army, and he fights continuously. And 10 days of struggle is being highlighted in this particular thing, and there is a gathering of reference to Yazid's army. The song portrays Yazid's opposing force not just as enemies but also merciless, okay, and shameless. Banda hejidara, like he says, Banda hejidara means he's lawless, shameless. That's what the Riwayat singer and composer is saying. And the repetition of let's go, ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದೇನಿದೆ, ಅದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಹಾಡನ್ನು, ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳೇನಿದ್ರು ಆಗಿನ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ, 7ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರು ಬಹುಶಃ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹುಸೇನ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಹೀರೋಯಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ of Imam Hussein is being mentioned here. Very key important in this lyrics. It describes Hussein's dominance even during the moments of setting up the camp. Okay, ಢೇರೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಡಿಸೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಢೇರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. Okay, in the field of Karbala, which is in the present day Iraq. Okay, the imagery of standing on the chest of the enemy. Okay, ಎದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ಲೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ ಅವರ ಶೌರ್ಯವನ್ನು, ಹುಸೇನ್ ಅವರ ಶೌರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹುಸೇನ್ is depicted as being in a position of power over those who lack his spiritual conviction. So this is one of the important aspects, and also there is an appeal to the community by the composer of this riwayat. He's saying, the song concludes by directly addressing the audience, the masters and the elders. It says, and it transforms the historical battle into a shared communal experience, urging the listeners to listen without boredom. Okay, ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಬೇಜಾರಿಲ್ದಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಈ ಹಾಡನ್ನು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ರಿಲೆಂಟ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ that took place in 7th century ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. So overall, this particular riwayat talks about one of the episodes that has taken place in 7th century. Okay.